Hey guys, well, we're working on Gayle Storm today, and you know how you know you found the right girl? Is when you go away and you come home and your girl is cleaning her new car, and like, you don't have to ask and plead, and you just come home and things are done, you know? So here we are. Gayle hasn't test drove it yet because we've decided the thing is just so filthy inside that we gutted it. Like, we've come to realize, well, we're going to make it look pretty because Gayle wants it nicer looking, but our goal with this thing is under $1,000.
Yep.
A nice car for under $1,000, and that's our goal.
We're going to easily come up under $1,000.
We're going to make it happen. We're going to be able, I think, to even paint this thing and do everything ourselves, and to get a nice, reliable car for under $1,000. So what we've been doing is we started gutting the interior out, Gayle, so we'll have to show them what we've been up to here, huh?
Well, let me get out of the way, and then you can show them.
All right. So we pulled the carpets, the seats, all the trim. We didn't do the door panels yet. Gayle's already started to pretty much clean all the door panels, which are looking really nice now. Dash is done. So we got the pressure washer out. We did all the seats. Pressure washed and cleaned all the interior because we want the car to be nice and smell nice inside. So we started working on the trunk. We still have a trunk full of trim pieces that are all pretty disgusting and full of crap and crud.
Yeah, I'm going to get to those next.
I don't even think the woman ever even cleaned the back window. It has never been cleaned. So I'm going to take the speaker cover off and the third brake light out, and we're going to be cleaning that window. So we decided to wait for Gayle to take her test drive in her new car because it's just too gross. Like, it's full of hair and French fries. And how much money did we get out of it last night, Gayle? Like,
what was it, like $3.89 or
Yeah.
$2.89?
No, it was close to $4.
All right, so it was $3.98.
Yeah, so we got
we were 2 cents shy of $4.
yeah, I think that's how it ended up playing out. But we got close to $4, so we got close to an ice cream cone. So we got close to an ice cream cone.
Well,
But
I don't know about that, but
well, we'll get.
ice cream's gotten expensive.
It has, but so anyway, the major plan here is that we're going to get the interior spotlessly clean and beautiful, because I don't even want to drive around in it personally because it's just too funky. I mean, the woman.
There was what, 10 years of hairspray and hair gel on the headrest.
Oh my God! Well, yeah, I'll show you the
so
seats
gross.
we got here. The seats are real clean now. They're looking really nice. So we got the seats pretty much cleaned. I mean, we blew all the dirt and crud, and not really too bad on stain scale, you know it?
No, the seats don't look bad. Seats don't look bad at all. The driver's seat is a little worn, but that's okay.
Yeah, so far so good.
Right.
So our plan is that we're going to get some nice wheels, because these hubcaps are really banged up and they're ugly and the rims are all rusty. So the plan is that we're going to take the really nice GT wheels off my car, because I've got 2 sets of these. So we're going to take these wheels and tires and take them off and put them on her car, so it makes the car look nicer. And then I bought 2 BF Goodrich leather tires for this, because I have another set of wheels from Florida I bought back when I got this car. It was almost new. So I got a really pretty set of stock wheels that look just like these to put on. So my car will have them and her car will have them. And that's definitely, wheel set's going to make the car look really nice. So I'll show you my wheels. I got 2 new tires coming, so instead of buying 4 new tires, these things are insanely expensive, these tires. So I think my plan was I'm going to buy 2 new ones and put them on the front, and then just wear the rear ones out, and then when this one pair wears out, I'll wear out another pair of them, and then that'll pretty much be the life of the tires without having to buy 4. Because what are you going to do? You know, we don't really need a whole lot of traction in the back for the rear. And then with Gayle's car, we're going to put it's got almost like new Cooper tire, or what are they, Coopers, Gayle? Yeah, they're really expensive for these tires, so we're just going to keep these as a save either for snow tires or for spares for Gayle. Yeah, and then the car has a donut in it, so we're going to keep one of these rear wheels as a full-size tire and spare, because donuts suck, you all know. We're not driving around on a donut if we decide to go somewhere with it. Gayle plans on traveling with it, so it's got to be reliable. And then over here, oh, the floor mats we pressure washed, and now they're looking real good now. They're clean, there's no french fries and dog hair, and who the hell knows what else is in there. And then this has got to pretty much be vacuumed yet. I pressure washed this. There was so much sand in it, it was like the car was at the beach or something. So we pressure washed the carpeting, hung it on my shed to dry out. It's pretty close, but there's still some like particles and stuff we're going to have to vacuum. But other than that, we should be good to go. The car really only needs a couple things to get it real nice. I mean, as far as mechanically sound, I'm going to change the oil in it. And I got to fix that. I don't know if it's a bent tie rod end or what on the back, but that's really it. I mean, other than that, just making it look pretty, but we've decided it's worth it to fix it up and paint it because, hell...
Gayle doesn't like to drive around in an ugly car.
Well, and right. Well, we don't want Gayle to drive around in an ugly car. So, it's Gayle's favorite color, so Gayle Storm is going to get a paint job because we think we can pull it off for purchase of the vehicle. I think I paid $300 for it. And it had at least over $1,000 worth of work, suspension work and brakes and calipers and wheel cylinders and a whole entire exhaust system from the engine back. So, I mean, just some of the value of the parts. I mean, it's got some rust spots on it, but, you know, it wasn't wrecked, you know, and it'll be good to go. So, I guess next time you see us, Gayle, we're going to be, what, putting the interior back in it, and
Yes, yeah.
we'll show them how nice it looks. Show them how nice it looks with the interior back in it, and
Right.
we'll just see you guys then. So,
All right. Bye, guys. And hey, do me one favor before you go. Hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you.